ताजमहल से नहीं हो सकती, ताजमहल से नहीं हो सकती,
ताजमहल से नहीं हो सकती।
क्यों नहीं हो सकती?
नहीं हो सकती है।
क्यों नहीं?
हमारी पहचान ताजमहल से नहीं हो सकती।
I don't agree to it.
This statement by Yogi Adityanath has come as a big surprise and has shocked many people, including the opposition party. Being one of the biggest states that is controlled and ruled by the opposition party, Congress, we find out what the citizens of Bengaluru have to say about this.
India is partially of all cultures like Muslims, Hindus, Jains, and I feel that since we accept all cultures, we have to accept all our religious monuments, historical places, stupas. And he being a minister of a particular state, he shouldn't discriminate some other monument which belongs to another state or belongs to any other place in India.
I don't think you should take into consideration anything he says, anything he says, anything he says. Anytime you go to the north of India, the one thing you have to do is go to the Taj Mahal.
You know, you cannot deny that the historical importance of Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal has, if you see, the direct contribution of Taj Mahal to the economy of this country, because it has attracted so many visitors.
Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders in the world. So I guess India should be represented by Taj Mahal.
Not a particular sect or religion represents India. We the people represent India.
Religious harmony is what holds this country together, and statements like those are what probably instigates all kind of issues which we have faced in the past.
All the Muslims, all the Indian Muslims, their ancestors were Hindus. Taj Mahal is just a tourist place today. It has got no emotional connect with majority of the Indians.
We have to accept what we are known for.